तुम 1500 बंदे कहोगे कि जी हम इसको ले जाएंगे, तुम्हारी अगली 10 नस्लें भी नहीं लेके जा सकती। We know how to defend it. 1.3 million Indian army with all their wherewithal, if they cannot intimidate us and they cannot coerce us, पाकिस्तान की कहानी अपने बच्चों को जो है आपने जरूर सुनानी है। अपनी मिल्लत पर प्यास अक़वाम मगरिब से न कर, खास है तरकीब में कौम रसूल हाशमी। कम ऑन, इज इट जस्ट अ ब्रेन ड्रेन? पाकिस्तान की कहानी अपने बच्चों को जो है आपने जरूर सुनानी है ताकि वो पाकिस्तान की कहानी न भूलें। When our forefathers they thought that we are different from the Hindus in every possible aspect of life. Our religion is different, our customs are different, our traditions are different, our thoughts are different, our ambitions are different. That was the foundation of the two-nation theory that was laid there. That we are two nations, we are not one nation. So because of that, our forefathers, they struggled, mounted that incessant struggle to create this country.